Hey guys, welcome to my channel of Between Home Decor. If you are new, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get more latest updates of home decor. Today we came up with a new video of home garden design. If you all love to spend time outdoors surrounded by beautiful flowers and plants, then you may be interested in creating your own home garden. Designing your perfect home garden can be a fun and rewarding experience, and it doesn't have to be difficult. With a little planning and some basic gardening knowledge, you can easily create a space that is both functional and stylish. Keep reading and watching my video for more about how to design your perfect home garden. A garden can be a great way to get some fresh air and exercise, as well as produce your own fruit, vegetable, and herbs. However, designing and planting a home garden can be daunting, especially if you are starting from scratch. In this video, we will give you some tips on how to design your perfect home garden. Whether you are looking for a low maintenance garden or one that will provide you with a bountiful harvest, we have got you covered. If you are thinking of designing your own home garden, then there are few things you should keep in mind. In this video, we will go over some new home garden design that will help you to create a beautiful and functional space. With a little planning, you can create a garden that you and your family will enjoy for years to come. Or if you are looking to transform your outdoor space into a home garden, there are some easy design tips you can follow. From choosing the right plants to creating a focal point, here are 50 plus ideas to get you started. This video is a little inspiration to help you spruce up your living space. You have come to the right place. In this roundup, we have gathered some of the most stunning home garden design from around the web to help you to create a truly unique space outside your home. Of course, when it comes to designing a home garden, it is important to consider what will suit your personal style. After all, this is a space that you will be spending a lot of time in, so you want it to reflect your taste. Whether you are a fan of classic cottage garden or prefer something more modern, there are endless possibilities when it comes to creating your perfect outdoor passage. Watch the video till end and do like and subscribe and comment what type of outdoor design garden do you like more.